係受歡迎。The impact will be minimal。impact 個影響力啊，有咩影響力 ？impact 咁通常話對乜嘢嘅影響力啊？就 impact on environment。咁你可以講啦 ，the impact on the environment will be minimal。咁但係佢呢個 impact 就係個影響力 will be minimal。minimal 即係非常少 ，minimal 即係好細 ，will be very small。咁你用一個字就可以 ，minimum 就最少 ，maximum 就最多。minimal 好少 ，and the introduction does not amount to a long-term strategy to tackle air pollution。佢哋嘅即係引入咧 ，introduction 介紹當然 introduction 啦，引入佢哋即係呢個慳電膽啊，同埋呢個電動車嘅引入咧 ，does not amount to 即係好似計數咁嘛，啊 2 + 2 amounts to 4咁樣啦，即係引入咗之後咧，唔等於咁嘅意思 amounts to。咁呢個好多時都會講啊。係咪就等於咧？咁 amounts to 啦。A long-term strategy 係一個長遠嘅策略 ，long-term 長遠策略 ，long-term strategy 策略。to tackle 去處理就 tackle 啦。air pollution 你空氣污染 ，tackle 處理 air pollution 空氣污染。As expected, there were few fresh policy initiatives. Many had been previously announced, but Zhang spelled out new details on how to implement them. The so-called 6 new pillar industries were first recommended by the Task Force on Economic Challenges. They occupied a large portion of the address. As expected， 咁呢個係即加強嘅語氣就擺咗去前邊。As expected， 正如所料，正如大家所料。As expected，there were few， 嗱唔係 a few 唔同啊嚇 ，there were few 咁即係都有啲新嘅意思擺咗出嚟。There were few 即係好少咁解嚇，同 a few 啊唔同。There were few 新鮮嘅新嘅政策 ，in policy initiative 即係提出嚟嘅政策。係好少啊 ，there were few。咁你可以話 there were few fresh policy initiatives as expected 咁講都得，但係佢想加重個語氣，正如所料，如大家所料，毫無新意咁，所以呢個加重個語氣咧喺 as expected， 所以佢擺喺頭嗰度啦。咁所以咧呢個都要學 as expected， 正如所料。Many had been previously announced， 好多都已經係以前 previously。announced 宣佈過嘅，或者 announced before， previously 或者 announced previously， 或者 previously announced 都得。But Zhang spelled out new details。spelled out 啊呢個咧 spell 其實串出嚟啊嘛，咁 spelled out 啫就用佢嘅意思，即係話詳細啲講出嚟啦，即係你將一個字串出嚟，係咪真係詳細啲啦？咁叫 spell out， 講得好清楚，逐個字講出嚟咁 spell out 啊。New detail 新嘅詳細嘅資料啦 ，on how to implement them 點樣去實施 ，implement 實行，點樣實行到？詳細啲講點樣實行 ，implement the so-called 6 new pillar industries。嗱呢個咧就係6個新嘅支柱產業啦嚇，即係佢推銷嗰個優質產業啊嘛。pillar 即係柱咁解啊。pillar industry 啊，咁佢英文就係咁講啊，支柱產業啊。而家政府成日講個6個支柱產業，即係香港最香港嗰個經濟最有幫助嗰6個產業啊，6個優質產業。咁 pillar industries 咁你學呢個字啦嚇。The so-called 所謂嘅嗱呢個要學 so-called， 即係佢嗰個作者嘅意思話，佢話所謂係咁，其實即係表達咗個意思，就係作者其實就唔同意政府講嘅所謂咩嘢支柱產業有咩咁緊要咁巴閉咧咁。So-called first recommended 係初咧係由呢個政策小組啦嚇，即係話推進呢個經濟嘅政策小組嗰度推出嚟嘅，咪呢個 task force 就係嗰個政策小組啦嚇，研究小組啦就 task force 咯。They occupied 即係呢啲資料咧係佔據咗 occupied a large portion of the address 一個佢嗰個施政報告嘅 a large portion， 一個大嘅部分 ，portion 就係部分啦。But what concerns most people is probably a wide-ranging plan to revamp Central. Beyond the mission-sounding statements to map out a comprehensive strategy, the government has promised to preserve the Central Market, a Murray building, which will be converted into a hotel. Most of the central government offices will also be preserved as officials move to the Tama site, but its west wing will be sold for redevelopment. No large-scale land project such as this is complete, it seems, without a big bone being thrown to developers and hoteliers. But the preservation of buildings will mean a significant loss to the government in land premiums. If this signals that heritage conservation has become more of a priority, rather than focusing on maximizing revenue, it is a welcome development. What concerns most people? 大部分人關注嘅 concerns most people， 大部分人關注的 is probably 可能係 probably 就即好可能係 possibly 就可能性冇咁大啦 is possible 同埋 is probable 就好可能咁嘅意思 probable wide-ranging plan 一個大規模嘅計劃啊，去 revamp Central，revamp 即係大肆裝修、翻新啊 ，revamp 中區嚟一個大翻新 revamp。Beyond the mission-sounding statement 即係講話佢嗰個意見書咧係好有使命感，聽嚟好有使命感嘅 mission-sounding。聽落去 sounding 咪聽落去 mission sounding statement 呢個意見聽落好似好有使命感咁，佢要講出嚟，描繪出 map out 啊，好似個地圖咁啊，咪即係 to map out 嗱，呢個 map 咧係 verb 嚟喎 ，map out to map out 去畫出描繪出規劃出 map out a comprehensive strategy 一個好詳盡嘅策略。comprehensive 即係話好詳細嘅，好 comprehensive 啦嘅策略。The government has promised to preserve， 佢答應咗咧保存 preserve 防腐劑啊 preservative。當然 preserve 嗰個 noun 其實係 preservation 就保存，咁呢個咧係 verb 啊 preserve to preserve 去保存保留 preserve。嗰個中央街市 Central Market 啊，同埋個美利大廈啦 ，which will be converted 會改變為 converted into 呢個一定係 into 啦，改變為乜嘢咧？一個酒店。Most of the central government offices will also be preserved。咁咧就話即係呢個中央政府嗰個辦公室咧都會保留噶啦。As officials 當嗰啲官員嗰啲政府官員啦 ，move to 嘅意思就係搬屋啊 ，move to 去呢個天馬南 Tama site 天馬南 ，but its west wing will be sold for redevelopment。咁啊話西翼咧就會係賣出去啦，係再發展就叫 redevelopment。development 就係發展，再發展 redevelopment 呢度 redevelopment。No large-scale land project such as this is complete, it seems, without a big bone being thrown to developers and hoteliers. 佢話 large-scale land project 呢個大規模的啊，呢個係個形容噶，呢個 noun 形容緊 large-scale